Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Woodforest National Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then, in the address bar, type in woodforest.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of the Woodforest National Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, click on the login button underneath the Woodforest National Bank logo. This will now take you into the login page of Woodforest. Now, just enter your username followed by your password. In case you forgot your password or your username, you can click on the Forgot Your Password or the Forgot Your Username button above the login button. After entering all of your credentials, just click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account on Woodforest National Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Woodforest National Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.